Market is going to open a very good positive note as SGX Nifty yesterday closed around this point, that is around 18,356, and it tried to move down to 18,300, and then from there it started recovering. And today when market SGX Nifty opened, it tried to move up above 18,420, but unfortunately it came down to take yesterday's support, and now it is trading above 18,403. So we are going to see a good positive market, positive opening in the market, and let's see after the first 30 minutes, because it will take some time for market to stabilize. Market is opened at 43,779, and from there market started falling down, but 43,500. So you can see that this is being in our levels. So the trade idea would be, if the first 2-3 candles are not breaking the zone, and the next candle, if it is engulfing any of the red candles and if it is becoming green, and if we see that it is sustaining above the previous red candle, then we can go for a CE, because everything, the market is totally positive, as we can see here. So let's wait for the first 15 minutes or 20 minutes or maximum till 30 minutes to see the direction of the market. So let's wait. We'll have to see if Banknifty takes this area as an area of support, and if that is broken, then the next level would be this area. For not 812, 43,200 can be the next area of support, and from there, if that is also broken, then we can see 4380. And I don't see market falling below 43,000 today, but again in intraday we'll have to wait and see how market is going to react. Looking at the OI, we can see that there has been a till the last minute OI, there has been a huge call OI build up comparing to put OI build up, and we could see Bank Nifty moving down from 43,500 levels. So I have taken a position of 43,000 PE at 17.35, and we are at a PNL of about 5.2k right now. So let's wait and see where market is heading, and we'll book our profits accordingly. So regarding the previous trade, we have deployed a capital of around 15,000, and we have made 1,035 out of that. So I'm planning to open up a position. So again, 43,500 call and put us shifting the dominance. So we can see that Bank Nifty is making a sideways movement, and now what we will see is it will break out to either of the range, and it will make a range shift and consolidate at that point. And even if it's going up, then only above this is where we can get a confirmation, and if it is going down below 43,373 is where we can expect some downward movement. Until then, market can be sideways. So it's very it's not great to trade in 11th May expiries contract. So it's better we are switching to 18th May expiry. So as you can see, we have an eye on 43,000 PE of 18th May. Yes. So I'll probably open some positions of that if Bank Nifty breaks and sustains below this point. So we have opened another position when we saw the breakout from this level. So we would see Bank Nifty filling up this range, or at least till 43,600. So let's hope for the right entry, and or let's wait for the right exit, and plan our next trade accordingly. So I have only taken 250 quantities, as it's an expiry day. I generally don't trade for more quantities. So this is what you can see. This is the PNL here. This is how the market is. We are expecting a run like this. If 600 is not broken, then coming down, or else we can expect this to go up till 43,700. So we are expecting a evening star pattern from this point, and that's why we have got out of position. We have booked decent profit. That's around almost 15 points. That is 4,140 with a capital of yes, 85,000 rupees. We have booked almost 5% of our capital, which is great. So market is going to fall down from this point, as Nifty had a resistance around this area, as you can see. So this is the logic of the trade. This is why we have gotten out of our trade. We can expect Bank Nifty to further move up also, but it's better to save our positions before waiting for higher targets. So we'll wait for the right entry, and we'll get into our positions. And also, since it's expiry, we won't be getting into many new trades. So there is a trend line which has started from yesterday until this trend line is broken, we don't have any view towards the lower side. So again, I'm expecting Banknifty to move up from this point, but again, I didn't want to take risk from this level as precisely as it's an expiry. So yes, let's wait for the best move. And also we can see that 43,600 has higher put to buy build up, which means Bank Nifty can sustain above 43,600, but only then also there are chances for Bank Nifty to maybe consolidate at this level. So let's wait for the right entry. And so right now I'll be from now onwards I'll be looking for a short position, as the premium on the CE side would be higher. I mean, the stop loss on the CE side will be like much higher. So yeah, and the previous high has been broken, so I'm sure Bank Nifty is going to go up from this point. So if this low is broken, then we can see Bank Nifty falling down to this level. I have opened a position right here, that is 43,500 CE, sorry, 43,400 PE, which can be carried overnight, because the range was between 43,400 and 43,900. So I have bought it at 273. So this is what we can see here. I've opened another position of 43,400 PE. I mean, the position was the same, but I have averaged one with 150 quantities, and this is how my PNL looks like now. I'll book it immediately. So as you can see, this low has been broken now. Bank Nifty can take support at this level, or else if it further falls, then this point. I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to come down to touch the day's low and all. So what I have is a nominal target. So I am planning to get out of the position at 285. I'm keeping a trigger for 450 quantities at 285. Let's see if the order gets triggered or not. Right, so with multiple trades we have booked our profits for the day, since it's an expiry and we were trading with very low capital. So as you can see here, this is the capital that we have deployed. I mean, for this particular trade we have only deployed this much capital, that is 1,21,000. We have booked almost more than 5% of what we have put in for the day. So if you are an options buyer, and if you have very good patience, and if you are very much knowledgeable about the market, then you can actually make a good fortune out of the market. So this is what I have to tell you all. Right, so the overall PNL is 12,243, and these are the orders that I have for the day. Yes, so I have traded in 43,500 CE, 43,400 PE, 43,000 PE, and yes, of 18th May expiry, because I didn't want to play on a risky note, as 11th May strikes will have like very bad decay on this particular day. So I'm done with the trades for the day, so I'll be getting off. And if you have any queries, please feel free to get in touch with us through Instagram. We'll be putting the link to our Instagram in the description box. So yeah, that's it.